Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Vikram. So, today we are going to see sixth lecture on commutative subgroup. We are going to prove a very important property of commutative group subgroup. Okay, let's see what is that property. So, we are calling it a theorem. Let G be a group and G dash be its commutator subgroup. Okay, if N is a normal subgroup of G such that an intersection G dash, it means commutator, is nothing but contains identity element, then N is contained in Z, where Z is center of G. Of G. So let's prove it. Let N belongs to N. For X belongs to G, we have X and X inverse belongs to N because N is normal subgroup of G. So this follow why normal property, normal subgroup of G. Okay. Now N belongs to N implies N inverse belongs to N by existence of inverse in subgroup N. Okay. Because N is a normal subgroup, so it is subgroup also by subgroup property of subgroup. Because subgroup is also a group and exists by existence of inverse in a group property, we have this. As X and X inverse belong to N and N inverse belongs to N. We have by closure property in N X and X inverse N belongs to N. So we can write this by associative property like this. X and X inverse N inverse belongs to N. Okay. Let's say it one. Since G dash is commutator subgroup of G, we have U is equal to A B A inverse B inverse A B belongs to G contained in G dash. So this implies X and X inverse and inverse belongs to G dash. From 1 and 2, we have X and X inverse and inverse belongs to N, and X and X inverse and inverse belongs to N. So this implies X and X inverse and inverse belongs to N intersection G dash. This is G dash. Okay, but G dash is nothing but identity, contains only identity element. So this implies X and X inverse and inverse is identity. So this is for all X belongs to G. So this implies X n is equal to Nx for all X belongs to G. So this implies N belongs to Z, center of G. So, okay. So for N belongs to N implies N belongs to Z. Therefore, it means that N is contained in Z. So it is true. So today's lecture of this, if you have any problem related to this, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you.